In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to integrate ClickUp with Jira step by step, so you can connect your project management and development workflows seamlessly. This integration is perfect if your team uses ClickUp for task management and Jira for issue tracking, and you want everything to stay in sync without manual updates. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy software tutorials like this. All right, let's jump right in. To get started, make sure you're logged into your ClickUp account. Once you're inside ClickUp, navigate to your workspace and open the list where you want to manage your tasks. In this example, we're inside the list view under all tasks in the workspace. This is where you'll be able to access the integration settings for your list. Next, look toward the top of your ClickUp interface and click on the More option. This menu gives you access to additional features and settings related to your current list and workspace. Clicking on More will open a drop-down with several options. From this drop-down menu, click on Apps. The Apps section is where ClickUp allows you to connect with third-party tools like Jira, GitHub, Slack, and many others. This is the central place to manage all your integrations. Once you're inside the Apps section, scroll through the list of available integrations and find Jira. When you see Jira, click on it to open the integration setup page. This page explains what the integration does and how ClickUp and Jira will work together. Now click on the Connect button. At this point, ClickUp will prompt you to sign into your Jira account if you're not already logged in. Make sure you're using the Jira account that has the correct permissions to connect apps and manage projects. Follow the on-screen instructions to authorize the connection between ClickUp and Jira. After authorization, the integration will be active. You'll now be able to link ClickUp tasks with Jira issues, sync updates, and keep both platforms aligned. Depending on your setup, you can choose which projects sync, how statuses map, and what information is shared between ClickUp and Jira. Take a moment to review these settings so they match your team's workflow. And that's it. You've successfully integrated ClickUp with Jira. This setup can save your team a huge amount of time by reducing duplicate work and keeping everyone on the same page across tools. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.